With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. In a second ODI match between England and India, Bhuwnesh Kumar bowled his medium fast bowling. He started his run up from the distance 50 meter from the stump, and at the time of bowling a ball, his speed was 36 km per hour and the speed of the ball was 144 km per hour. His mass is 70 kg and mass of the ball is 1 by 4 kg. The heat produced in this body is 1/10 of the total work done by him. Then select the incorrect statement. So if you see, heat is produced here. That is 1/10 of the total work done by him. Right? So if you see, it is given here that at the time of bowling his speed was this 36 km per hour and the speed of the ball was this. So you can convert this into the meter per second. So we'll write down speed of the man as v1. It is this much meter per second and the speed of the ball was this. So if you see, this will get cancelled out by, if you see, it is we know that 18 into 4 it is 72, so it will be 18 into 8, it is this, so it is 40 meter per second. Alright, so we got the velocity of the man as well as the velocity of the ball. Now it is given in the question that the 1/10 of the work done by the friction force on him is negative, work done by the ground on him is 0, and work done by the man on the ball is positive. So if you see, the ball kinetic energy is increased. That is because of the man, right? If you see, initial kinetic energy of the ball was 0, and if I write down the work done by the man on the ball, it is change in kinetic energy of the ball. That's it. And you can feel already the final kinetic energy of the ball is positive, whereas the initial kinetic energy was 0. Initially the ball was 0 at 0 kinetic energy. So this is true. And if you see the work done by the ground on him, so ground is applying the normal reaction on the man, but the displacement is perpendicular to the force. The man is moving in horizontal direction like this. So the work done by the ground on him is 0, so true. Work done by the ball on him is negative, right? Does a positive work on the ball, right? The ball is doing the same amount of negative work on the man. Since what is happening here, they two are applying equal and opposite forces on each other, and since they are in contact, so during the application of force, the point of application of force will have same displacement. So let me write down this. This is the point of application displacement. That will be the same for the two. So if the force is opposite and point of application displacement is same, then they will do equal and opposite work. Which will do, man will do the amount some amount of positive work on the ball, and ball will do the same amount of negative work on the man. So this is true. See, on the foot of the man, the friction force will act, right? But as I already mentioned, is there any displacement of point of application of force? Right, it is a tap motion, right? The man keeps the one foot on the ground and then other. It's not the point of application of the force is moving, right? It's not a relative motion between the surfaces. So though the friction force is acting here, but the displacement of point of application is 0. So the work done will be 0 here, not negative, right? So this is the incorrect one. So A is the incorrect. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.